what, day who knows where, day who knows when. All I know is it's day number 7 in the Long Beach cleaning project thing that I have still yet to name. Hashtag Project LBC. Today, we're starting right here and working our way that way. Full-on trash bags that have come and gotten washed out and washed back in and washed out and now covered with sand. But there's so many trash bags right here. So there's this one right here, right there, right there, up there, right here, right here. Damn. And I can't really get to them. I'm only probably doing more harm by trying to rip it apart, because then it's just going to be a bunch of different plastic pieces. But there's a shit ton. I am almost filled up on one bag. I've kind of just dedicated this one little area here to a deep cleaning as opposed to doing a little bit of cleaning. But then I'm gonna get back on the road over here because I actually do enjoy walking up and down the coast and getting the stuff before it has a chance of going back out to the ocean. First filled bag. At the rate I'm going, I foresee 3 total bags in my future. I think that's the heaviest bag I've had yet. It's windy out here, but it feels nice. No complaints. The only complaint is how the beach looks. Just about filled bag number 2. About made it to the end. I got 3 pretty heavy bags, but I've accomplished what I needed to do. I have no idea if you're gonna be able to hear this clearly because it's so windy. Look at this shit. It's like Mad Max Fury Road out here. Way easier than the challenge I did last time. When I did a beach cleaning last time, it was cold and rainy, and the rain hasn't really slowed down at all. It's actually increased quite a bit. My gloves are soaked. My pants are soaked. This is probably the worst of the weather I've gotten so far, and it's not even really that bad. It's just windy. But 7 days, and I've gotten 28 bags in 7 days. 28 bags of trash. Man, that's a lot of trash. A lot of trash. That's a wrap. It's been real, folks. I think I did a good job. I can be proud of what I did. Please like, subscribe if you like any of this stuff. If you like Earth, subscribe with me. Anyway, this has been another Rim Vlog Challenge. Catch you on the flip side.